This video will guide you through the process of depositing cryptocurrencies directly to your Binance exchange account. Stop. Before you proceed further, is the cryptocurrency that you wish to send listed on Binance? Sending unlisted cryptocurrencies will likely result in the loss of your funds. Do you know the network of the wallet that you will be sending the cryptocurrency from? The sending wallet must use the same network as your Binance wallet in order for you to receive your cryptocurrencies safely. You should only proceed with depositing cryptocurrency directly to your Binance account once you have this information. From the Binance homepage, click on the Wallet tab and select Fiat and Spot. We wish to deposit the cryptocurrency Cardano from an external wallet. Here is our integrated Cardano wallet. In order to deposit cryptocurrency to this wallet, we click on Deposit. As you can see, we are presented with 3 network options for receiving Cardano. Our sending wallet is hosted on the Binance chain, so we will be selecting the BEP2 option. It is important that our receiving wallet matches the sending wallet's network. We will copy the wallet address and memo, as these details will need to be entered into the sending wallet.